Bryce, what are you doing? You guys riding? Get back in there, Bryce.
Where's Michael's Dragons? Daddy, I love you.
I love you too, baby.
I want to jump down too. Tell my sister to get off though. Get off. That's the worst. I need to take on the train.
All right, kids. Hold still. No, you gotta stay with right here, buddy. No, well then hold still. Hold still then. Here it comes.
Better try again. Here it comes. It really needs to back up, please. Remember, it's a steam engine. That means a lot of... Back up here now,
Where's your stick at? Where's your big stick?
Yeah, back. There's some dimmies on it.
Hey Bryce, what do you think about the train?
Good.
You think it's good? Is it gonna be fun riding a train? Making a bunch of noise and smoking? Are you happy you came? All right, let's see what Melody thinks. What's Melody think?
I like it.
Do you like it? Is it gonna be fun riding a train? Okay.
Large paper mills in Luke, Maryland and Covington, Virginia, and they required a steady supply of good pulp logs. Red spruce, it grew in abundance in this area, high up near the tops of the mountains. Red spruce was well suited to paper-making processes that were taking place at those mills. There were also lots of good hardwoods here, and they made fine lumber for products like flooring. Now the ruins at the end of our parking lot here, well that's... As we leave the locomotive repair shop area here, you'll see on the running right a yellow building with brown trim. That's the John P. Kaloran Restoration Shop. This building was built and is maintained and operated by Mountain State Logging and Historical Association. That's a group of highly dedicated men and women who give of their time and talent to help restore antique locomotives here, as well as to work towards gaining funding for restoration of those beautiful company houses in the town of Bath.
What do you think? Is it pretty neat? You like the train? Go over there with Bryce and get your picture taken. Hop down.
In just a few moments, we'll be crossing a pair of steel bridges. These bridges date to the 1960s when the state of West Virginia rebuilt the track. black locusts and fire chariots from
Black out. You put it? Forward.
You may have noticed that the locomotive is now pulling us instead of pushing. And since we do have coal-burning engines here at Cass, there's going to be some smoke and cinders coming back over the roof of the car. So it's just a good idea to keep your head in under the roof to keep the smoke and cinders from getting in your face. West Virginia Pulp and Paper Company, they had a farm of their own.